Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company is specialized in commercial diesel parts. Today I will introduce you our hard sealing valve assembly for you. Let's take a look. And firstly is the outside packages with VCINT roast bag, and here this is the label. On the first label is our Shumatt's brand. The product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ01428. Actually, for the logo, label, packaging, etc., we can support customized service. So, if you have such a demand, please feel free to contact us, and then let's check the inside. Instead of it, the transparent bottles can be better prevent some hurt during the translation, and one layers of oil paper can be wrapped up. Each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers will receive the packages not set with the quality. It's okay, return or exchange. And for this one, apply cable for inject number is 04451200048, etc. And apply cable for vehicle car for Benz and Mitsubishi, etc. Let's check the details. On the valve cap, there with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. Each product 6 months warranty time. And if you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean with the oil, don't clean with the water, okay? So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye. Remember, follow us on the channel. Feel free to contact us.